Another day, another video, bro. This what the fuck I'm about to do. I'm about to install this fucking doorbell shit. You feel me? Yes, nigga, I'm about to install this shit. So, look. I already started. I was like, might as well record this shit. Cause y'all gotta see if this shit gonna work for me. I can't hold this shit and record it. I mean, I can't do this shit and record it. I can do this one. Alright, that one in. This one's going. I maybe can hold it. See? Hold on, bro, cause this one bigger, bro, so shut the fuck up. You see this shit? Can't even put the big ass piece of shit on here. Hold on, bro, I'm definitely gonna have to put the camera down for that. I finally did that shit. But yeah. Let's see if this shit work. They told me I gotta charge this shit. I don't know if I had to charge it, but we gotta find out. Gotta find out though. Hold on. I gotta find out how to clamp this shit on here. Yeah, I read the fucking instructions, but still, nigga. Alright, so the fucking screw was in the way that I had up there. It was in my fucking way, so I took it off. Hold on. Let me drop this shit on the ground. Alright. Now let's try this shit again. See, perfect fit now. Heard the clip? Hold on, cause it might be one of them things you gotta just pull down. Ooh, you seen the blue light come on? Hold on, bitch. You just seen that shit? Hold on, try it again. Hold up. I just seen the blue light. This shit might have to get charged though, for real. Shit. I seen the blue light, bruh. I don't know if y'all seen it, but I did. That means I did a good job. Fuck you talking about for my first time. My first electric job. Nigga, I do this shit myself, nigga. I always got to learn how to do something. Fuck you talking about? Bruh, you literally gotta charge this shit like a fucking phone, bruh. Like, what the fuck? I'm trying to figure out why this shit ain't disconnecting. Like, nigga, you can run off the house power. Why the fuck I gotta charge you up, nigga? Anyways. I would've showed y'all how I installed that shit, but shit. It's simple as fuck. Yeah, also, I had to find out because the fuses that was on the old doorbell wasn't strong enough. So they had like a little piece of metal in the bag that comes with that doorbell shit. So I took it out and I just put it to the old ones. I just wrapped it around the old cord and then I put them together. I'm over here screwing this shit on and I hear the doorbell all in the house working. So great job to me. I did a great job, bro. I ain't go to a how-to video. This is gonna be my how-to video. Fuck you talking about. How to use your brain. Here's just a couple of minutes on the charger. Let's see. See if this shit work. Nigga. Oh, nigga, you thought I was working on somebody else's house? No, nigga, this is my house. Fuck. I don't work for free. Look. I did that shit, nigga. Anytime you need something fixed, call on me. I can lie. Let's see if it works. You ready? Listen. Bitch, please. No. Listen to this. This shit sound gay as fuck. I'm gonna put some others. I wonder if you could change the tone of this shit. Get stupid ass back in the house. Get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the fucking house. Get in the house. Get in the way. First of all, I'm trying to figure out why it ain't ringing in the house though. I don't want to hear this gay ass noise. What's your ding 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 ding? Look. Well, this did work. I'm done here. So that's the end of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.
I'm on that rich shit. I'm on that rich shit. Snatching quick, bitch. Watch your fucking mouth, or you run up in your house. Niggas talking shady. I told him watch his mouth. Pull up with the mask. Yeah, we got his ass. I don't give a shit. I'm sitting and smoking gas. Wish I had a dad to teach me right, nigga. Remember them nights on the bike, nigga. Remember them nights I had to fight, niggas. Niggas don't know what I like.